There are many, many teachers that's emanated in the world and appeared in the world in the past. For us to be so arrogant to think that Lord Buddha is the most superior out of all of them, or Lord Buddha is the only one, Lord Buddha is the only savior, and Lord Buddha is the only way, is completely wrong. I don't agree. Buddhism doesn't agree. And if you're any real Buddhists, do not agree. He is one of the many teachers that have appeared in this planet. And there are many places that appear, that have given talks, that have, out of compassion and motivated by love, to help, to assist, have given teachings, Dharma teachings. Dharma teachings means correct conduct. It's a Sanskrit word relating to correct conduct. When you say Dharma, they associate it with Buddhism, all right, but actually Dharma is a Sanskrit word meaning correct conduct. So we've had many, many teachers in the past, and I don't have to repeat myself, you guys all know. And these teachers come out of compassion with no motive for themselves in order to share with us knowledge that is all around us. And sometimes when it's so obvious, we just don't see it. We just cannot see it in front of us. They're not teaching you anything new. They're not teaching anything you might not have seen or recognized. They're letting you recognize something that might be in front of you.